Hi, I'm Troy Alexander for Child Support Game Over. Today we're going to talk about treaties. A treaty is an agreement or arrangement made by negotiation. Now notice this word, agreement. Something to keep in mind. An agreement. All contracts are agreements. All contracts are agreements. Get that into your head. Not all agreements are contracts, but all contracts are agreements. A contract in writing between two or more political authorities such as states, small s, which means nation states, or sovereigns, formally signed by representatives duly authorized and usually ratified, but not necessarily ratified. A document in which such a contract is set down. It's synonymous with conventions, such as Hague Convention. Let's go to Article 1, Section 10 of the United States Constitution. No state. No state. What part of that don't they understand? No state shall enter into any treaty or alliance or convention. Also, notice this, or grant any title of nobility. Let's go to Wisconsin. Court system. What are requirements of judicial office? The person must be an attorney licensed to practice. There are no licenses, people. They are bar card holding members, or i.e. titles of nobility. They are saying only titles of nobility, people. What the hell is this? Only title of nobility people can be judges. Now, something to understand. No judge or justice shall hold any other office of public trust except a judicial office. In Wisconsin, under Wisconsin State Stat 769, these are tribunals with a presiding employee. And the presiding employee is a supplemental court commissioner. This is different from a court commissioner. A court commissioner, under Wisconsin law, does traffic court and municipal sort of court stuff. But a supplemental court commissioner is a ministerial office handling the business of the county. And the reason the presiding employee is a supplemental court commissioner is because this is a county program being operated under contract, or we could say treaty with the state as a reciprocating foreign country, a foreign reciprocating country, an FRC. This is illegal as hell, people. You got them dead to rights on this stuff. You got the judges in Wisconsin holding offices of public trust that are not judicial, they're ministerial. You have the states violating Article 1, Section 10 of the Constitution. But this is just my opinion, and I went to public school, so I know less than nothing. And these are foreign agents now operating on U.S. soil because these are foreign tribunals for the Hague Convention. And because of that, they are foreign agents. And in 1938, you have the Foreign Agents Registration Act, which was enacted in 1938. FARA is a disclosure statute that requires persons acting as agents of foreign principals in a political or quasi-political capacity, or even quasi-judicial, to make periodic public disclosure of the relationship with the foreign principal, as well as activities, receipts, and disbursements. We want to know how much they're getting paid for doing this stuff. We want to know why they are not registered, and I checked every county. I checked every child support agency. None of them are registered while operating a foreign program on U.S. soil. And just because they claim the U.S. adopted it illegally as hell. Now let's go to enforcement. Under restrictions on public officials, a public official of the United States in the executive, legislative, or judicial branch, can we say these quasi-court commissioners, these quasi-judicial, these many times judges operating as supplemental court commissioners, judicial branch of the government, or in any agency of the United States who is or acts as an agent of a foreign principal required to register under FARA, if they fail to do this, as defined in Section 3.6 of that Act, shall be fined not more than $10,000 or imprisoned for not more than 2 years, or both. See 18 U.S.C. 219. Come on, people. Let's go. They're breaking all kinds of laws here. Let's put the heat of the fire to their feet and see what we can get done. I'm Troy Alexander for Child Support Game Over. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you next time.